think you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long.
The piano on the beat.
Hi everybody, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is Kenny from Vickaakin. Today I'm going to be doing my first tutorial since I've been gone off of YouTube. The first tutorial is going to be a hair tutorial. It's a stitch lemonade braids coming to the side. So it's going to be in color red. I already prepped the hair. I'm going to be using this red. And it's expression hair. So right now I'm gonna show you the things that I'll be using to do it. If you have this is a good one. Shine Jam extra. Also need a comb, brush for edge control, like to slick the edges, and some clips. You don't really need them, but I usually use them to part the hair down so I know what way it's gonna go. So that's all you're gonna need to do this hair. Stitch feeding braids. Stitch and feeding braids. Feeding braids is different from stitch. Stitch braid is the parts are defined, but feeding are not defined. That's the difference. If you have any questions, do not forget to leave them in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe and like my video and also share it. So with that being said, I'll be heading to the tutorial, so I'll see you guys later. Peace out, ODABO. So right now I'm just blow drying her hair. I usually like to part the hair down before I braid. That way I know what I'm doing and the hairstyle does not end up looking like what it's not meant to look like. So I feel like that's the easiest way to get whatever you want to get, especially when it's stitch braids.
Make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I know.
So the next braids, you should see how I'm gonna do that. That way you can properly see what I'm doing. I didn't really show this back part because a back hair is pretty short, and I was trying to braid this hair in a way that is not going to be coming out in like a week or two.
Yeah, I don't want to fight with you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie.
So this is kind of my trick to get the proper amount of braids. People usually complain that some people don't get the proper size of their cornrows. So I usually get a bunch of hair. That way I know this is what one cornrow is going to feel like, and then I start parting little by little for the stitch braids.
I don't wanna waste time. Well, remember tonight I found something here with you. Running by the roadside, wait up for me. I'd go anywhere that you do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotion. Put it all out in the open.
So as you can see guys, the first thing I'm doing is parting and actual hair first. You want to braid that first before adding the extension to it. That way it kind of looks natural, like it's coming out of a scalp, but it's not. So you want to have the hair to the right side. I'm right-handed, so I don't know about lefties. So I want to say add it to the right hand side. So you're parting the right hand side and you're adding hair. You're also parting the left side, but you're not adding hair. So that's the difference. You're gonna see it again. So I added hair over there, and then I parted on that side, and then I braided, and I didn't add any hair. I'm gonna part, add extension, braid, part on the side, braid, part, and add extension again. So you just keep repeating that process until you're done. Sometimes some people don't keep adding hair, especially when they get to the middle part, because they already achieved the amount and the thickness of the braids that they want. So it depends on what size you're going for.
Just don't know you meet me at home. I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, I'm reveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break at any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna waste time. Well, remember tonight I found something here with you. Running by the roadside, wait up for me. I'd go anywhere that you do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotion. Put it all out in the open. Don't tell me it's time to go. Now that we made this far, wandered to a broken, never look back to the ocean. Still know you'll meet me at home. When we're lost and out of focus and we don't know where the road is, I still know you'll meet me at home. Meet me at home. When I can't decide and the fear leaves me blind, you always will lead me through. If you need me at the wrong time, throw it all out by the wayside. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotions. Put it all out in the open.
So one thing I usually do when I'm done with my lemonade cornrows is get my needle and thread and stitch the ends of the hair together. That way it looks uniform and it doesn't puff up or move around or whatever.
Wandered to a broken, never look back to the ocean. Still know you'll meet me at home. When we're lost and out of focus and we don't know where the...
So this is the finished product of the hairstyle. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. There's gonna be more videos and more tutorials coming very, very soon. So remain blessed and stay tuned, guys. Have a nice day.